raindrops of beat, they meet to sway. Sidewalks wet, streets glisten bright, neon reflections in the night. Let the thunder roll, lightning strike. In the storm I find my light. Every droplet's a rhythm, a melody so sweet. In the downpour I find my feet, moving, grooving to my heart's beat. In the rain my worries deplete. We're finding rhythm in the rain, turning sorrow into gain. Dance away the pain, let nothing remain. 'Cause in the rainfall we got everything to gain. Splashes underfoot, in puddles we play. The rhythm of the rain washes away every doubt, every shadow of yesterday. In this liquid symphony we sway. Raindrops like whispers tell a tale of resilience when all else seems to fail. With every note we set sail. In the rain our spirits prevail. Every droplet's a rhythm in the storm, we're not alone. In the tempest our love's grown, dancing, laughing in a tone. The rain's a blessing, this I know. We're finding rhythm in the rain, in our dance. There's so much to gain. Let the storm rage, where we remain, finding joy again and again. Let the skies open, let the water fall. In the deluge I stand tall. The rhythm in the rain it calls. Let the skies open, let the water fall. In the deluge I stand tall. The rhythm in the rain it calls. To dance, to love, to embrace it all. As the rain falls down, let it wash away. In every drop there's a rhythm to play. Yeah, we found rhythm in the rain and danced away the pain.